Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be changing this tankless heater from natural gas to propane. This is a Navien 180 A2 tankless heater. These heaters come out of the box ready for natural gas, so if you're using it in a propane application, you're going to need to use the field conversion kit that comes with the heater to change it from natural gas to propane. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how that's done. It's actually super simple on these heaters. So I've already taken the field conversion kit out of the heater. It's right here. It comes with an O-ring, comes with new orifices, and it also comes with a new gasket. And I'll show you where all these go here in just a second. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate the gas valve. The gas valve is down here. It's right there. So in order to do this conversion, we're going to remove this tube right here. All right. Now there's 4 screws up top here, and there's 2 screws at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and take all those screws out and remove that tube, and I'll show you what that looks like. So now that we've gotten our tube removed, you can see up here in the top, this is where our orifice is. So if you see right there, that right there is your gas orifice. And that one right there, it does say NG on it. That means natural gas. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those 2 little screws right there and take that old orifice out of there and put our new orifice in. You want to be very careful when removing these little screws here because they can be very easy to lose. So we're just going to pop that old orifice out there. So behind that little orifice there is where our gasket is. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. See that lid, that gasket right inside there? We're gonna go ahead and pop that out because it gets replaced as well. So we're gonna pop that out. I'm gonna pop the new one in. Now we have that new gasket in there. As you can see, it just kind of sits in there. Real easy to put in. Also, whenever you first open these heaters up out of the box, the field conversion kit to propane is going to be located right inside the box here, right inside the heater on the side next to the PCU unit. All right, so if you're looking for it, that's where it's going to be. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab our propane orifice, and these orifices are marked again. This one here is marked LP for liquid propane. So we'll go ahead and put this little guy in there, and it just slides on there real easy. Just slides right in there, kind of holds itself in place too, right there. And then we're going to put our 2 little screws back in. All right. So now that we have our new orifice installed there, as you can see, the propane orifice is installed with the new gaskets. Now we're going to go ahead and put this tube back on there, and we'll be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tube back on there. And also, when you're putting this back on, make sure that you leave the first screws you put in, leave them loose, and don't tighten it until you get all the screws in there, because sometimes it can be kind of a pain to line the screw holes up. So we're gonna put all the screws in there just snug, and then we'll go through and tighten them up. So I'm gonna put one right here, just a little snug. Now then, I'm gonna go ahead and put one in the bottom to line it up correctly. This is the easiest way to do these. One in the top, one in the bottom. That way you can get your holes lined up, and then the rest of the screws should go in there fairly easily. Should be all lined up, because these components like to move around a little bit. So after I put all the screws in there, I like to go around again and just double check that they are all snugged up real good. Check the bottom screws. Check, double check's the best way to do it. All right, so now that we have all of our screws back in here, everything is back attached like it's supposed to be. So that is how you convert a Navien tankless water heater from natural gas to propane. All right, next video I'm gonna do is flushing this unit, so be looking forward to that. And if you're interested in seeing more plumbing related content or how-to videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. This heater is now ready to fire back up.